girl. Hey, so today's wig is going to be the switch up, honey. This wig is from MegaLook, and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was super nervous about installing this wig. Not really the color that I was nervous about. It was just this one streak of color in the front and not knowing how I'm going to make this wig look natural. So I was able to play around with the wig and get it to look pretty good and not look so like wiggy or costumish like or Halloween like. So yeah, girl, we're gonna get into it and we're gonna do it. So again, this wig is from MegaLook. Now, to take away from this wig looking like a Halloween wig, I'm going to go ahead and press the hair out and try to get it flat and get rid of these flyaways. And I did bleach the knots on this wig, but the knots really didn't lift too well, so they're still pretty black and they are a medium size. So I'm going to show you girls later in the video how I fix this to get rid of the dark knots and the not so natural parting space. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing any baby hairs with this wig. With this wig being blonde, honestly, I don't see the point of doing that because, girl, it's not going to really show up like that. So the wig is starting to transform, as you girls can see, just by simply pressing out the hairline and adding some wax, just trying to tame those flyaways and get this wig to be as flat as possible. So I'm going to continue this process and then I'm going to go in and straighten the hair. I was going to add curls to this hair, but I don't know. I ended up changing my mind. I thought maybe it would look better with it being straight. So yeah. So I'm not sure what the density is on this wig, but when I was straightening this hair, I noticed that the hair was extremely full and super duper soft. I also noticed that the ends wasn't really even, so I decided to go in and just clip those ends to get a more even look. And I can already tell the wig is definitely transforming by just clipping the ends. Okay, girl, and this is pretty much the final look. I am going to add a side-by-side clip so that you girls can see how this wig really transformed, and it's not giving Halloween vibes anymore. This wig actually turned out to be really cute. I did go in and add some concealer behind the blonde and apply the concealer directly on the black hair instead, just so that I can lighten up those black knots instead. So yeah, girl, this is the wig. I will make sure I have all the details below in the description bar because I do not remember the exact details on this wig. So yeah, girl, if you are interested in trying some color or you want to see how you would look with some color, this is definitely a good way of doing so. I'm not quite sure if this wig comes in like a different color other than blonde, but of course that link to this wig will be below in the description bar so you girls can check it out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next video. Clearly, I am all into this phone conversation, child. So thanks for watching. See you girls in the next one. Bye.